So once you have completed your full bubble sort, I would like you to make it possible for the program to be reset, so the list to be jumbled again. Because if you have a look now, when I click on the green flag, the list only goes through the list once, and it works out there's no swaps needed, and so it stops immediately. So to test our bubble sort, we really need to be able to randomize our list again to check it's still working. So we can start by choosing something to begin our random process. It can't be green flag because we're using that already. So let's say when R for random is clicked, and then let's choose set random count to 1, and we are going to need new variables for our randomizer. So the first one we will actually make random count. The second one we will make random pos. The third one we will make random temp. So we have 3 new variables, and we can untick them for the time being so they're not visible over here. And we also need to use set just like we did above. So we are going to set random count to 1, and we're going to repeat this until, let's move this across a bit, repeat until random count greater than length of fruit. Or in this case the length of Star Trek characters. Okay, so we'll bring that in, move it over so you can see a bit better, and then we need, just like above, we're going to need a couple of sets. So we're going to set random pos, and we're going to set random temp, which is already set random pos, and of course we need to pick random just like when you did your task earlier using a randomizer. And we need length of fruit, or length of Star Trek characters rather. Where is length of Star Trek characters? There. So pick random 1 to length of Star Trek characters, and set random temp to item random pos of Star Trek characters. Okay, and then we need a couple of replace blocks. So we can duplicate this, and we'll just zoom out a little because we're running out of space. And so we're going to replace item random pos of Star Trek characters with item random count of Star Trek characters. And we are also going to replace random counts of Star Trek characters with random temp. Okay, and so we are almost ready. The final thing we've got to do is change random counts by 1. So now we should be able to press R and it will automatically sort our list into a random order. Let's test that. And then if we press the green flag, it should use a bubble sort to sort it into the correct order again, which will take more time because the bubble sort has to rotate through the list. And you can see it's working exactly as it should.